2026 Renault Captur is here, and it's making a bold statement in the world of compact crossovers. With its refreshed design, smarter technology, and refined features, this SUV is built to appeal to drivers who want both style and practicality in one package. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and curvier design. Renault has given the Captur a modern look, with sharp LED headlights featuring C-shaped daytime running lights, a larger grille with the Renault logo proudly at the center, and bold alloy wheels that add to its sporty presence. The rear has also been reworked, with sculpted taillights and a dynamic bumper that enhances its premium stance. Overall, the 2026 Captur is not just an upgrade, it's a head-turner. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed with comfort and simplicity in mind. The interior feels more spacious, with a clean dashboard layout and a vertically oriented touchscreen that houses Renault's latest infotainment system. Digital displays, ambient lighting, and quality materials create a more upscale feel, while the practical storage spaces and flexible seating keep it family-friendly. Under the hood, the engine options are efficient yet responsive, making the Captur ideal for both city drives and longer journeys. Renault has balanced performance with fuel economy, ensuring drivers get the best of both worlds without sacrificing everyday usability. One of the standout features of the 2026 Captur is its focus on connectivity and safety. You'll get advanced driver assist systems, wireless smartphone integration, and multiple safety features as standard, giving you peace of mind on every drive. Pricing makes it even more attractive. Starting at around $28,000, the Captur offers a mix of premium design, smart tech, and value for money, putting it in a strong position against competitors in the compact crossover segment. That wraps up today's review of the 2026 Renault Captur. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with the latest car launches and reviews, make sure to subscribe to AutoTime Reviews. Stay tuned, because another exciting car review is coming your way soon.